we already have the braid down, as you can see, and we are crocheting. The hair that I used, I got from the beauty supply store. It was $7.99, and it was the only passion twist hair that I saw, and it's by Mayde beauty brand. So, and it is 14-inch in T27, like an ombre color. So that's what I'm using right now, and currently braiding the perimeter, and then we'll go from there. So I'll let you see what I'm doing as I go. So I take the crochet hook and slip it through the braid, as so, till it comes out the other side. You can see it right there. And then these are pre-looped. I don't know if you can see it, but they are pre-looped, which is great. So you take the loop, you stick it on the hook,
during another slushy at a baseball game, or feel the wind in your hair when you speed down the road.
and then as you can see, you'll close the latch, and then you'll pull it through the braid. My braids are tight, so I'm trying to get it through.
No, this sucks. It really, really sucks. But it will get less sucky.
And then what I do is I'll go through the loop with the hoop,
It hurts so much right now.
put the end or the middle of the crochet braid, slide it through, and then since these are pre-looped, I just pull it once. I don't have to double tie it like with loose hair and hair that isn't pre-looped at all. I would have to go through a couple of times, but luckily this hair is looped and I don't have to do that. So I'll do a couple more and then I'll be back and show you.
Sorry it took a while. Car trouble.
Welcome back, Charlie. We got some good people very worried.
I'm really sorry. You guys can grade me forever for this, but I just want to have one last day of fun.
It can be fun too. Again.
I was thinking, might be time to reintroduce the S-Fans. Baseball games, concerts, staying up late.
That sounds pretty lame.
We're running a little late, and we need to get you prepped.
Sorry, I need some 5/0 nylon sutures. Apparently, we need to talk.
You can report back to the chief of surgery, then fine.
You don't have to talk to me. You don't have to talk to her, but you need to talk to someone.
I'm not a med student, Aaron. I've lost patients before.
You never lost someone who should have lived.
All right,
No one
see you in a little bit.
I wouldn't be.
I come in the club, shaking my dress, throwing these bows and busting these heads. Yo, cannot wait. Got the second side done. Now I gotta do all of these, and hopefully it won't be too thick. I don't like thick, but yeah, I like what it looks like so far. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, we're doing the last one. If you can see, I have this part left, and we're gonna crochet the rest of it in. So again, as I talked about before, I'm just taking the crochet hook and going through the braid, looping it on the end loop, and I am pulling it through. And again, I only have to pull it once because it is looped here and it stays. So we'll go ahead and go through the rest of these last ones right here in the front.
Oh, you stole her. Let us know.
And I also ended up, I had 6 packs, but then I ran out of hair. So I ended up having to get 2 more packs, and I'm pretty much gonna use the majority of both packs. I'll probably have a couple of strands left, but basically I used 8 packs, so yeah.
I just know enough to tell him you didn't make it.
But I really like it. It's not too full. And even though they passion twists, they kind of remind me of spring twists. So that's just what I'm gonna call them. But the packet did say passion twist. but the hair isn't as soft as like a passion twist would be, in my opinion. So it's more of a spring twist type hair.
Nobody said anything about leaving.
So
People believe Bella's dead. You can't risk it.
almost done.
So you just disappear? Jake, we don't have another choice.
Feel like one more is gonna do it. Right there in the front. Maybe two more, but we'll see what this one does. Yeah. See if this one cuts it for me. I think the one will be fine. So there we have it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love them. All done. So I'm gonna style them next, and I'll show you how I styled them different ways, okay? And so here we have it. I like the fullness of it, but I like to wear it on one side. So I kind of just pinned it up over. But yeah, that's the final look. Let me see if I can get you guys a picture of the back of it. Or duh, just do it like this. So, as you can see, I might pull that over some, but yeah. The back, I wanted to wear it up, but yeah, it's nice and full, but not too full. Yeah, I love it.